In this video, you'll learn how to export Confluence pages to PDF in just a few minutes, so you can share your content offline or save it for archiving and reports. First, open your browser and sign in to your Confluence account at Atlassian.com. Once you're in, navigate to the space and page you want to export. Make sure you have view permissions for the content. Next, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, select Export to see all the available export options for your Confluence page or entire space. Now, choose Export to PDF. Confluence will give you the option to export just the current page or include all child pages. Select the option that fits your needs and click Next to continue. After that, customize your PDF settings. You can add a custom cover page, table of contents, and adjust the layout for your export. These options help create a polished, professional-looking document for sharing. Once you're ready, click Export and Confluence will generate the PDF file. Within seconds, your PDF will be ready to download, save, or share with anyone who needs access to your Confluence content offline. And that's it. Your Confluence page is now exported to PDF, ready to be shared, archived, or printed.